So here we go again, back with another lap record. Last weekend was the concourse for hyper mega cars and collector cars at the Wynn in Las Vegas. And as we were over with the Sadair Spear in the US, we said, why not take it to our favorite US track, Laguna Seca, and have a little go. The only day we could get with the short time frame we had was a 90 decibel day, which is the lowest sound level they allow. So we quickly roughed up an extra muffler behind the car, a pretty heavy thing actually, not improving the performance at all. But we said it's better than nothing, and we had a set of fresh tires on our aluminum wheels, which are nice and great, but not as lightweight as the carbon fiber wheels that we otherwise have on the Sadair Spear. And we had a go. And what a go we had. We set a new lap record. The only thing I can say is the Sadair Spear is a machine. And given the muffler and the heavier wheels, each customer car will be even faster.